If you're an educator, IT professional, or product manager looking for a versatile and powerful PDF solution on Windows, PDF Reader Pro is the tool you need. This all-in-one PDF software lets you view, annotate, edit, convert, and create PDFs with ease. It supports advanced features like OCR to recognize text in scanned documents, multi-tab, and split view for comparing files side by side, and customizable themes, including light, dark, and sepia modes. You can convert Microsoft Office files and images into PDFs, merge documents, extract high-resolution images, and fill or sign PDF forms on the fly. Plus, it offers watermarking, password protection, and permissions to keep your files secure. With a one-time payment of just $59.99 for lifetime access, you get a robust PDF editor designed to simplify your document workflows without subscription fees. Don't miss out. Grab the deal using the purchase link in the description below.